How's it going, YouTube? Welcome to another video from 88 Rotors Off-Road. Today we'll be working on this 2018 Toyota 4Runner SR5. I'll try to explain what's going on in this video, but if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. As our techs bring the vehicle up and start the teardown and removal of the factory parts, let's go take a look at what we have here. Fox shocks, Camburg Racing UCAs, rear shocks, old Man Emu lift springs. To go in detail, we're going to be running the 2.5 IFP Fox Coilovers, setting it at a 3-inch lift. The rears, we're going to do a 2.0 Reservoir shock with Old Man Emu 895E springs. The Camburg Racing 1.25 Uniball tubular upper control arms will help with the suspension geometry as well. For the rubber, we're going with a set of BFGoodrich KM3 MTs in 285/70/17. We're wrapping these bad boys on a set of 17x9 field shocks. These are a 17x9 -12 offset in a 6x139.7 bolt pattern in matte black. It's a new design that was just recently released in 2018. We're replacing the factory fog lights with these Baja Designs Squadron Sport Amber wide cornering lights. Here's another look at the 2.5 IFP front coilovers. This is where our tech raises it to a 3-inch total lift. Here, the rear reservoir shocks installed on the vehicle. Showing another closer look at the 895E springs. Here, our tech is doing a safety and quality control check on his differential drop install by marking all of his nuts and bolts. Here's another look of the front end suspension installed with the Camburg arms, and then the rear once again. Don't forget to leave your questions or comments below. We make sure to get back to every single one of them. Here, we're wiring the harness for the Squadron Sport cornering lights. After about 3 hours of work, we're ready to put the wheels and tires on the vehicle and lower it to the ground. Here's another look of us pulling out the factory fog lights and replacing it with the Baja Designs Squadron Sport wide cornering lights. These fit perfectly into the factory mounting location. And to test the lights, they work great. Here we do a full lock all the way to the left and then all the way to the right to ensure clearance. In order to clear the 17x9 -12 aggressive offset with a 285/70/17, we actually did have to remove the mud flaps. This 4Runner is done. After the completion of every vehicle that we do, we test drive the vehicle in our parking lot to make sure that there's no rubbing and everything is working as it should. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up. Like the video, comment something below, shoot us a question or two. We'd love to hear from you and your thoughts. If you have any suggestions or recommendations for our future videos, also leave them below. If you need work done to your vehicle, don't forget to give us a call or shoot us an email. We stock thousands of parts. Everything you see in this video, we have in stock. Lastly, we'd like to thank all of our viewers and subscribers. We've been getting so much love from this channel. Thank you so much, and I hope you've enjoyed this video.